Hey, it's Andrzej on software. I have two passions in my life. One is programming, the other one is chess. I like to combine them somehow when it's possible. For example, last week I was playing at a chess tournament for the whole week that was in Lviv in Ukraine. But also I took the opportunity, because it's in Lviv and there is a very active Ruby community, and they are called Pivorak. They've had a Pivorak meetup during the same time. So it was obvious to me that I will spend an evening at Pivorak, if possible, to listen to their talks, to discuss things after the talks, and have some beers with the local community, which I did, and it was great, and I really recommend this kind of experiences. So whenever I go to other city or other country, like for example for chess related stuff, I also try to look around that maybe something programming, there's something about programming happening at the same time. And also the other way, when I go to a programming conference or a programming meetup to some other place in the world, I try to see whether there is anything about chess happening at the same time. This way I have visited many countries and many cities, but instead of like jumping between cities, like nowadays I prefer to actually find the best cities which I really like and go to this place more and more often to actually learn more about this place and enjoy this place even deeper, instead of just visiting the obvious touristic attractions. And I think to me recently this is the case with Lviv. I've been there once, but being invited by the Pivorak community. I've been there now again to play chess. I'm very happy that I will be also there in May again, because we are organizing Rails DDD workshops in Lviv this time. So 25th, 26th of May, that's another trip for me. But the workshops are only 2 days, but I will stay for probably 5 days to have more time to enjoy the beautiness of this city. So in my case, it's currently Lviv. So there will be a third visit very soon. And the chess tournament went also really well for me. So I want to go there again, probably in September or October. So that's like another way of combining programming and chess passions together. If you want to join us for the Rails workshops, maybe that's a good chance for you to see Lviv. If you haven't been in Ukraine, that's a good moment to go there, because from April there will be very good flight connections from many places in the world. I think it will be definitely from Wizz Air, but also from Ryanair. So that's a good moment to take this chance and see the Lviv city. Obviously, there are other places, like I was happy to see Brno in Czech Republic also. I was happy to visit Berlin at some point. I was happy to combine like my chess and programming activities in London. And also when I was younger, I was a student volunteer at many programming conferences, and also during that time I was playing chess at those places. So you can be like creative and combine several things together and enjoy your travels even more. And as programmers, I think we have this luxury. Many of us have this luxury of being able to work remotely. So even you can go there and have like 2 days, for example, working from co-working spaces, which there's plenty of them in Lviv, for example. And then some 2 days on workshops or on touristic activities, or some spending time in pubs, which are also excellent in Lviv. So that's like some ways of some techniques to connect things for resting or for having some vacations, and also with the work. Thanks for listening.